election time now, they are just voting blindly. What? Blindly. People don't even know what they're voting for. I don't like Trump, so I vote Biden. I don't like Biden, so I vote Trump. That's not how you vote as a Muslim. Is that how you vote as a Muslim? Because you just don't like Biden, so you vote Trump? Or because you don't like Trump, you vote Biden? No, a Muslim, you got to look at issues. Who will be better for America and the people in America? You look at issues. What is right? What is better for the people? Not monkey see, monkey do. Samajh gaya? We don't operate like that. You understand, Brother Shah Jahan? Muslims should think. Because when you put your finger towards someone, whatever crime and corruption they do after, you would have contributed to that crime and corruption. Samajh gaya? Whatever crime and corruption that they do, you would have contributed to that crime and corruption. That's why the hadith says, if you cannot say something good, then keep quiet. And if you cannot do something good, then keep quiet too.